Dhruv on 4, Karthik on 1. Lost the wicket of Rajiv, and that has really rattled them.
Initially we were talking about the first 6 overs, they hold the key. The power play definitely sets the tone for the run chase. It's also important how you play after them. 7th to around 15 overs. Those are the overs where you need to keep striking. You need good head on the shoulders when you're chasing a score as stiff as 161. You've lost 3 wickets in your first power play. And Chennai Rhinos, they've got their tail up.
Easy.
Different kind of temperament needed when you're chasing a score. You have to keep up the run rate, also make sure you don't lose too many wickets. So temperament is all that counts when you're chasing a run as stiff as 161.
This is, I think, the last pair that can help them to get closer to the target. They don't have too much of depth in the batting lineup. They were so heavily dependent on Rajiv and Bhaskar, and also Dhruv, to provide them with the big runs. Inside edge, will get only a single. But somehow in the finals, in such a tight situation, under pressure, the top 2 players, the openers, haven't done well. That's what happened. Rajiv went for the big heave, missed the line completely, and then Bhaskar. So the top guns are back in the hut. The last one to go was Pradeep. That was an excellent delivery from Shantanu.
What has happened here, Saba, is that they've all these matches they've really relied heavily on Rajiv and Bhaskar. They've provided them the impetus, they've provided them with the big innings. Suddenly the middle order haven't played that much of a part. They've played a supporting role to Rajiv and Bhaskar right throughout the tournament till they reach the final. Suddenly they find themselves in the finals without Rajiv and Bhaskar, who back in the pavilion. This is where their depth will count, their batting depth. And these two really put on a good show.
Something quite similar to what happened to the Royal Challengers Bangalore in the IPL last season. It was Chris Gayle who did all the job for them the entire season. In the finals, the moment he faltered, the rest of the side crumbled. And that's what has happened today.
They're going up with the appeal. Well, the umpire is not sure what is happening.
They've asked for a review here, the Chennai Rhinos. I'm not too sure. Was the umpire checking whether the ball was taken cleanly by the glove man or not? Or have they asked for a decision review? Yes, I think they're just want to check whether the catch was taken cleanly or not by Ramanna, the wicketkeeper.
That tells you that there definitely was a nick. Well, that's a good call from the umpire to go upstairs. The ball has clearly fallen short of the keeper. There is a bounce there, just ahead of the gloves. So it's definitely a bump ball. Not out should be the call.
Fell short of the wicketkeeper Ramanna. And then he took that catch. It wasn't a catch at all. It bounced in front of him. So the decision stands, and it is Dhruv who would continue his innings. 3, the Bulldozers. The Rhinos camp is buzzing with activity there. There's so many supporters in the dugout. They're enjoying this. They're on top at this stage. Now what are they waiting for?
The umpire did well there to go upstairs and refer it to the third umpire. So back again with some action. Last ball coming up of the 7th over. Drives it nicely to long off. He misfields. They go for 2 runs. This is done twice in the over. After 7, it's 42 for 3. And after the break, there will be the